and Baggy Pants eating their special treats for the day. They're so involved in the cheese in that hand, they're forgetting the cheese in this hand. When Rue saw me carrying the bag of shredded cheese, he followed me from the kitchen over here and then jumped up on my lap and was like, feed me, feed me. So happy chickens, happy life. Y'all finding some mealworms and some cheese? Hey, Rue. What's up, Rue? Aw, hey, Rue. Hi, sweetheart. Yeah. You my buddy? Are you okay? Are you alright? Are you okay?
Unhappy.
Hmm?
I think it's unhappy.
Yeah. I think it's confused. They're wanting to say hi to you. That's pretty cute.
Ashford was. Or at least that's the one that's closest.
Oh, they're testing out their wings. what's up, chicken? That's wet. I didn't realize that. Hi, Ashley. Sexy. Chickens! Hi, chickens! Hi, that's my ring. Yes, that's my ring. Hello. Hello, babies. Hey, chickens. Hey, chickens. Oh. Hello. You Sussex.
Is that one of the astrolorps?
Yeah. And we got this little girl. Buddy. Buddy. That's a cute little chicken. Hey, Sussex. Y'all are not to have it all on your own terms, huh? Hey, Argies. Are you letting yourself get close to me? Oh, Zoretta, you're coming to say hi? Hi, Zoretta. Hi. Oh. Why do you keep pecking my wound? Zoretta, come here. I got you, girl. Come on, Zoretta. Come on. Come say hi. Zoretta. Did you get him with the meat? Aww. Chicken's first night. I guess they're gonna all hang out on top of their shelter instead of in their shelter. Hi, Roo. Yes, little buddy, I see you. That's amazing. calming down, I guess. No, y'all aren't going back inside tonight. You're outdoor chickens now. This is the next phase of your life. It'll all make sense one day. Y'all are something else.